A very warm welcome to SME Zone with me, Katla Khomsomi, the show that gives entrepreneurs a platform to showcase the best of their products and services. And as we do on the show, we are joined by none other than serial entrepreneur, Mr. Debrand Teboho Mafodi. Teboho, welcome back.
No, thank you for having me once more.
You are now, like I always say, part of the furniture.
Yeah, I'm trying not to make myself too comfortable.
No, Teboho, trust me, we enjoy having you on the show. Now, today's feature is a business owner who started in the events industry making cocktails, but having realized that he didn't have the right platforms and the financial muscle to market his business, he fast turned the corner to starting a business in marketing others. Found collects data of registered and non-registered local businesses at a low cost and lists them in the database to be given to the public on the internet for free. Let's have a look.
My name is Thabo Tanki Somtapane. I'm the owner and CEO of Found.
Found is founded by Bupeletso Projects after seeing a gap in the market where small and medium businesses such as funeral parlors and caterers in Soweto and other South African townships are not accessible to customers and vice versa. Found comes in the market to serve as a platform for advertising and promotions.
Thabo is an average guy from Soweto, grew up, raised and bred in Soweto, and just have a big ambition to changing the world. And hopefully that Found is one of the roots. It's one of the businesses that will impact a lot of people and changing other people's lives. Found started when I was still doing cocktails. I used to cater cocktails in events like pubs and all that. And I lacked money to market myself and let people know that I do cater cocktails in Soweto. Whereby at that time I didn't have any competition and struggled to market myself. I could only use social networks and all that. And it conquered me that, you know what, you having this problem, do you ever think about how many other people are having the same problems? And I thought, like, how many small businesses are there in Soweto on its own? There's a lot. On a daily basis, there's two teams. There's a sales team, which is the gents, and there's a promotions team, which are the ladies. The ladies, they go out on a daily basis to malls, train stations, taxi ranks, anywhere where there's many people. They go there and tell people what is Found so that they can go to Found and check what Found is. Then there are the sales agents, which are the guys. I'm also part of them. I also go out on the streets with them, whereby we go out to the people, look for SMEs, anyone who's doing anything in the hood. We take the person's details and insert the person in the database. And which is a parallel role because when we're in the office, we have the ladies who deal with telling people about Found, going out to the, like your normal Gumtree, OLX, anywhere where there's a need, where people are requesting domestic workers, plumbers, anything that we offer, they go out and tell those people that, you know what, you can find whatever that you're looking for at Found. Then there's the guys who deal with mostly the media part, whereby we search for media platforms which we can go to, and we search on radio and media and TV, where we can go and have some free space so that we can tell people that Found can assist them.
Found collects data of registered and non-registered local businesses at a low cost and lists them in the database to be given to the public on the internet for free. Found subscribers pay their accounts at any well-known selected retail stores using their reference numbers which they receive via SMS.
The major challenge that we found at this moment, it's that mentality that we don't have money to do things, which is the major challenge which I found, but we and my team, we are able to conquer it because we're using whatever that we have. But when it comes to the people, the major challenge is that people don't trust us. There's too many fraudsters. They think it's also a fraudster, which is what we're trying to remove, to clear their minds on. We launched on the 1st of October, 2014. The greatest thing that I can say, because the company on its own, it hasn't showed any, we haven't measured it if there is progress or not. But my strength on the company on its own, I think it's my staff. We united, we won. We laugh a lot, we have fun. And I think when we work hard, we work hard. If we have to go down to the mud, we go all together. There's no one staying behind. So I think that's the strength of our company. Not much that I would do differently. Everything is coming according to plan. We're still fresh. We're analyzing a lot of mistakes that we're doing. Error correction. So at the moment, I haven't seen any major obstacles. In this, with regards to Found, people think Found is not legal, like it's a fraudster. And another misconception that people have is that people think that, okay, I will register. What if I don't get anything back? And it's a fear mindset that what's the use of investing if I'm not sure? Which is the major obstacle that, you know what, we need to start taking chances and see what it will take, where they will take us. The advantage of putting the business in the location, because that's where our core market is. Our market is in the townships. And I think it's nearer for them. If they feel that they cannot use the internet on their own, they can come to us and we can register them for free. I read a lot of books and pray a lot. So I think my greatest influence, I can say, it's the guy called Robert Kiyosaki. I get a lot of inspiration from that guy and the Bible. My major concern with regards to the people that I'm trying to help, and I think it's how to make people trust the company with less budget. I think that's my main question.
Found seems to have found their feet, but what questions do they have for the Business Guru?
Hi, Business Guru. Can you give me some advice on how to change the mindset of people with regards to them trusting the company that is legit with less finance?
When we return, our expert, Teboho Mafodi, has some valuable advice for Thabo. So stay with us.